After being in the military and literally hearing my higher ups say work comes first, family comes second, I knew right then and there I didn't need to be there. And honestly, it was almost a blessing in disguise when I got kicked out 2 years later after not getting the COVID vaccine. I'm telling you, when I had my daughter, I was never going to put a job before my family, like before my kids. Like, it just was not going to happen. And so when I learned about online digital marketing a year after getting kicked out of the military, I said, yep, I'm going to do it, because I did not want to put my daughter in daycare. I did not want to go to a 9-to-5. I did not want to have a boss that would literally replace me the next day if I had something happen, right? And so I am telling you right now, no job is more important than your family. And I want to help you make money online so that if you need to leave that job that will replace you tomorrow, you can. So if you want to learn how to do online digital marketing, only working a couple hours a day off your phone to where you can bring in a full-time income and always have a backup plan, and if you're a stay-at-home mom, always have an income coming in, comment me down below. I'd love to give you more information.